Pigeon pea, seed to seed from sowing to harvest. Pigeon pea, also called as red gram, is originated from Africa and it is widely distributed all over India. The most favorable temperature for pigeon pea is around 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. The scientific name of red gram is Cajanus cajan and its chromosome number is 22, belonging to the family Fabaceae. Red gram is a kharif season crop grown ideally during the month of May to June for early duration varieties and August for medium duration varieties. The variety grown here is Coarg 7. Land preparation. Pigeon pea can be grown in almost all soil types that are not very poor in line and are not subjected to waterlogging conditions. Optimum growth and yield are obtained in deep loam soils. Red gram can be grown as a mixed crop with groundnut, paddy or tapioca or as a pure crop. The land is prepared to fine tilt and the ridges and furrows are raised of 1 feet width. The seed rate required for pigeon pea is around 15 kg per hectare for pure crop and 5 kg per hectare for mixed crop. Fertilizer application. Basal application of fertilizer is applied before sowing. For rain-fed crop, 12.5 kg of nitrogen, 25 kg of phosphorus and 12.5 kg of potassium is mixed together along with 10 kg of gypsum is basally applied over the land. And for irrigated crop, 25 kg of nitrogen, 50 kg of phosphorus, 25 kg of potassium plus 20 kg of gypsum is basally applied. Sowing. After fertilizer application is the sowing. 2 to 3 seeds are dibbled at 2 cm depth with a spacing of 90 cm between rows and 30 cm between plant. After sowing, the seeds are covered with soil. Irrigation. Land is irrigated immediately after sowing, followed by live irrigation on 3rd day after sowing. Since it is a rain-fed crop, frequent irrigation is not required and hence it is irrigated during the bud formation stage, flowering stage and pod development stage. Germination. Germination of seed takes place from the 5th day after sowing. During germination, several factors play a role like temperature, humidity and water. For non-dormant seeds, germination starts only when a seed is provided with water as long as the temperature is appropriate. When they grow up to 6 inches height, only one plant is retained in each pit by clipping. From the 25th day after sowing, the seedling stage starts. From that stage, weeding is done. Application of weedicide will control the early growing weeds, whereas in order to control the later emerging weeds, manual weeding is done. Weeding done once in 3 weeks will ensure a good crop. Vegetative stage. Followed by seedling stage is the vegetative stage. During this stage only, maximum growth of plant occurs. As the plant area increases, the leaf area widens and more nutrients and resources are accumulated in this stage, which are necessary for its reproductive phase. In red gram, the plant grows up to a maximum height of 140 to 175 cm. Flowering stage. In red gram, flowering starts from the 2nd month of sowing. Flowering occurs twice a year for perennial crop, whereas in case of non-season bound varieties, flowering is throughout the year. Short duration varieties bear plain yellow colored flowers, whereas late maturing varieties bear purple streaked yellow flowers. In red gram, there are 2 types of plant habit: determinate with terminal clusters of flowers and indeterminate with axillary clusters. Red gram is a highly cross-pollinated crop. As anthers burst before flower opening, Cross-fertilization with insects like bees, etc. can take place. The major pest in red gram is the pod borer, that is Helicoverpa armigera, maruca and blue butterfly. For controlling this, at the time of flowering, 0.05% of quiniliphos, 2% DAP or monocrotophos can be sprayed. Pod formation stage. After flowering is the pod formation. The pods are usually green in color, variable in shape, size, constriction, texture and pubescence. Pods with deep constrictions are known as beaded, while others are flattish. In case of perennial crop, the size of the pod is small, containing 5 to 6 seeds, and it is bold, whereas in case of annual crop, the size of the pod is medium to small, containing 3 to 4 seeds per pod. The green pods and green seeds can be eaten as vegetable. On maturation, the color of the pod changes from green to brown color. After attaining complete maturity, the outer surface of the pods turn completely black. Harvesting. Harvesting can be done when 80% of the pods are completely matured. Harvesting is done by cutting 3/4 of the plant, followed by pruning, and it is heaped for 2 to 3 days. Dry the pods until it attains a moisture content of 9%, and the pods bearing the matured red gram seeds are collected from the plants by plucking. After plucking, the pods are threshed and the seeds are collected from the pods by break opening them. Finally, the seeds are sent for processing.